Welcome to 45 Raglan Road in Mount Lawley, a home we know as soon as you walk through that gate, you're going to fall in love with. Let me show you why. Who doesn't love a Federation gem? And this one has been totally restored, renovated and extended. It has a wonderful history and it's in a hot spot of Mount Lawley, only moments from Hyde Park. It's sitting on 364 square meters of land and it has a beautiful pool. Let me show you. We know you're going to enjoy this al fresco pool area, a perfectly designed outdoor space. It's where you're going to enjoy those beautiful summer balmy nights with your friends and family and create memories that you'll remember forever. This one simply ticks all the boxes, perfectly located, a beautiful Federation gem that's been totally restored. I'm Jason from Maple Property and we look forward to talking to you soon.